Actually, I remember those days when I started investing. I was not aware about investment types, investment strategies, and I was not having experience of getting started. But there was only two things in my mind, that is interest in understanding the financial market and a desire of building wealth in a long term. Actually, I have always been curious and was learning things about financial market, which includes investment vehicles, strategies, diversification tools, and much more things. And let me tell you a fact that these two things, curiosity and discipline, helped me a lot in making my investment journey. Actually, my investment philosophy is simple. It should have a balanced approach. So if you are investing in the market, you should combine both the techniques. That is fundamental analysis and technical analysis. And one more thing, I also believe in diversification. The simple meaning of diversification is investing in different asset classes. If you want to mitigate your investment risk, then you should diversify your portfolio. Actually, there was a time of 2020 when the market was crashed. At that time period, I suffered heavy losses. Actually, my approach to investing was experiencing volatility due to 2020 pandemic. At that moment, I have learned the impliances of risk management. Actually, at the time of evaluating potential investment opportunities, I do conduct research, analyze the market condition as well as companies' fundamentals. And sometimes I check macroeconomic factors as well. Yes, definitely. I have made an investment in renewable energy stock. And let me tell you, at the time of investing in the stock, I have considered lots of factors. For example, regulatory environment, company's growth prospect, technological advancement, and market demand as well. One of the most challenging investment decisions which I have to make was at the time of market uncertainty. The reason being, at the time of uncertainty in the market, things gets changed in very less time. So at that time period, you have to make your quick decisions about investments. And I remember that day there was very difficult situation for making investment decision, whether to buy or whether to stay invested. Long-term investments. I stay focused on long-term investments, so there's no confusion about it. There was an IT company which I had invested, and in past few years that company performed well. And let me tell you that why this investment was successful. There was three reasons: company's innovative product, strong management team, and the number three was scalability. Importance of research and opportunities in emerging stocks. Actually, I was invested in small cap fund which was not performed as planned. Actually, there was lots of issues like regulatory issues and company's management was not well. And due to this reason, company's stock price went down. So I had made loss in that portfolio. Actually, from all these experiences, I have learned the importance of risk management strategies, including diversification and setting up a stop loss while investing. And let me tell you a fact that these will not make you profitable, but these can limit your potential losses. I am particularly bullish on electric vehicles and healthcare, and the reason being, number one, increasing demand, and number two, increasing growth potential. I stay informed about market trends from financial news sources, industry reports, and most importantly, network with the professionals in the field. Educate yourself, set clear goals, and have a long-term perspective on your investment. Actually, I use various tools and platforms to track my portfolio and also for analysis purpose. There are some financial modeling softwares, there are some analysis softwares, and there are some technical analysis tools. As per my experience, there are lots of opportunities in the market. For an example, renewable energy, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology companies. Actually, I'm not sure about it because it depends on the market. How does the market performs? If the market is performing positive, then the strategy will differ, and if the market is performing negative, then the strategy will differ. So it depends on market conditions. At the time of looking back, I always think that I would have made investment for long term in regular basis. You might not believe that I prioritize things in such a way that professional things get professional and personal things get personal. If you manage your time well, then your personal life and professional life will not get affected by each other. Answer to this question is very simple. My friends, my family, my colleagues, experts, professional investors, as well as my mentors and industry experts. Definitely yes. The reason being, mentorship and networking are crucial in investment world for gaining experiences, for gaining insights and learning from others' experiences. And sometimes you get chance to learn from industry experts too. I incorporate ESG criteria in my investment decisions and it gets considered. Actually, I consider societal and environmental decisions by incorporating ESG criteria into my decision making process. I believe that investing responsibility not only generates financial returns but also contributes to positive social and environmental outcomes.